Dear students, myself RJ Singh. I am going to give you a perfect and most appreciated concept to decide SN1 or SN2 path and according to their products. All of you know very well that to predict SN1 or SN2 path is very challenging. So let's start. These concepts are mainly used for reaction of Rx with ionic reagent in presence of polar aprotic solvent or just reaction with polar protic solvent or ionic reagent in polar protic solvent. Also useful for reaction of ether with HI, and another reaction is hydrolysis of ether. Also useful for reaction of alcohol with HX. In Rx, X is leaving group. In ROR, lone pair of oxygen attract H plus and converted to like this, and it becomes leaving group. In this case, lone pair attract H plus, it converted to this type and it becomes leaving group. So how to predict SN1 or SN2? First of all, I am going to discuss about reaction of Rx and RORH plus ether. If R equal to 1 degree, then either linear 1 degree or branched 1 degree. Linear 1 degree give SN2 always, whereas branched 1 degree give depends upon reagent which is taken. Ionic reagent in polar aprotic solvent or ionic reagent in polar protic solvent or just polar protic solvent, it gives SN1 and it gives SN2. If R equal to 2 degree, then ionic reagent in polar aprotic solvent giving SN2, whereas ionic reagent in polar protic solvent or just polar protic solvent giving SN1. If R equal to 3 degree or more stable carbocation producing like as aromatic carbocation, cyclopropyl methyl carbocation, benzylic carbocation, allylic carbocation, then give SN1 reaction. Now we start for reaction of alcohol ROH with HI or HX. R equal to 1 degree, then either linear or branched. If linear 1 degree, then giving SN2, while branched 1 degree giving SN1. R equal to 2 degree or 3 degree or more stable carbocation producing, then SN1 will prefer. So you can apply and get product effectively and most correct. Thank you.